yesterday, guys, due to some issues, I haven't got any video, any lecture. So today there is a 13th class of C++ language. Welcome to the YouTube channel Brock's Code and Tech. In lecture in 13th lecture, we have to discuss about C++ functions. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a function. Functions are used from certain actions and they are important for reviewing code, define the code once and use it many times. Here is an example of this explanation, C++ functions, how to create a function, how to create a block of function, and how it runs, and how we can call a function into a console. So here is an example. First of all, I created a function in which I explained YT channel, my channel, YouTube channel, and I printed my name, Brock's Code and Tech. So I called the function here. You can write here YT channel. As a function is declared the upper part of the function, you have to declare the function in the lower part of same program. So there I am going to run this program, compile and run. Here it should run the Brock's code and tech. Here it is Brock's code and tech. So there's a next explanation of the functions, parameters and arguments. Information can be passed to a function as a parameter. Parameters act as variables inside the function. Parameters are specified after the function name inside the parentheses. You can add as many parentheses as you want. Just separate them with a comma. So here it is explaining that information can be passed by functions is a parameter. Parameter is a part of a function. Here I explain in the example. Parameter is a part of a function where we can declare one thing for 3, 4, 5 items. One thing for anyone, anything. All right. So I have write hash include iostream, hash include string. Then I use using namespace std. Then I use void name cost. I have created my own function name cost. Then I used string cost. String cost, in string cost we have to declare anything that is constant for all the things, all the functions, all the names. Okay. All right. Here I declared a cost Sayed. Then I declare a function int main void. Then I declare then I write name cost Sami, name cost Ali, name cost Ahmad. There are the three names which have cost constant Sayed. So I want to print them. I want to compile them. There is answer Sami Sayed, Ali Sayed, and Ahmad Sayed. So in console there prints the example. Now there's a third thing in functions, parameters. Inside function you can add as many parameters as you want. In function you can add many parameters, not only one. You can add many parameters as int, as that, as float, as string, anything you want. So here I used some another example. I used some parameters, string and int. So hash include iostream, hash include string using namespace std. Void name cost. Void name cost is a function that I created. So string cost int age. Okay. Then I made a block cout. Cout. After that I declare a cost. Cost is Sayed. Age. Then I printed here age. Okay. Int age that I declared. Int age years old. Okay. Then in the main function I declare three things, three names. Three names I declared three names, and after that I declared their age. So that I declare age. I declared their age by separating them with a comma. Okay, then it should print the name, cost, and the age. Then this function should print the name, cost, and the age of these three people. Okay, so that's I am going to run this program. Okay. Sami Sayed, 3 years old. Ali Sayed, 14 years old. Ahmad Sayed, 30 years old. So here I ran the programs. You can practice here. from my functions, or I am going to show, I am going to share you a document in a description where you can practice all the things. So thank you guys for visiting my YouTube channel. Or if you are interested, keep subscribing my channel.